Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall learn about chromatography on the topic of determination of separation factor. A researcher investigated the separation of two isomers, 1-butanol and 2-butanol, in a liquid chromatography setup. The retention time for 1-butanol is measured as 5.8 minutes, while the retention time for 2-butanol is 6.50 minutes. If the column void time is 0.50 minutes, calculate the separation factor alpha for the two isomers. So, the separation factor, which is the alpha, is equivalent to the retention time minus the void time, divided by the retention time minus the void time. Therefore, the retention time that we have for 2-butanol is 6.5, so we're going to plug in 6.5, and the void time is 0.5 divided by the retention time for 1-butanol is 5.8, so 5.8 minus the same void time. Therefore, you will get 6.0 minutes divided by 5.3 minutes. So you will get your final answer is equivalent to 1.1321. So how can you explain about this value? So because if your alpha is not equivalent to 1, it means that these isomers did not elute at the same time. So if you can see here, the retention time for 2-butanol is actually larger as compared to 1-butanol, although it's an isomer. Therefore, we can say that 2-butanol have slightly greater affinity for the stationary phase. Alright, so as long as you see that your alpha is bigger than 1, it means that the isomer did not elute at the same time, and then you need to check back which one of them have higher retention time. So it means that that particular isomer will have higher affinity to the stationary phase. Right, so this is the answer for this question. Thank you so much for everyone who watched this video from the beginning till the end. So I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.